Hello my friends, this is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends. Let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
Ben likes writing, but he can't spell. Writing. But Ben likes writing, but he can't spell.
Ben любит письмо, но он не может произносить по буквам. This word was difficult to translate.
There are 100 online English courses. There are 100 online English courses.
Есть 100 онлайн-курсов английского. I wanted to start
We had enough time for questions and answers.
У нас достаточно времени. У нас было достаточно времени для вопросов и ответов. Questions and swears. I need a book, but I forgot her name or its name.
Everybody loved singing songs in class.
Все любили пение песен. Книга розовая.
Book is pink, but not bright. Classroom. How many lessons did you have every week?
Сколько уроков у тебя? Сколько уроков у тебя было каждую неделю? Сколько уроков у тебя было?
My favorite activity is learn languages. My favorite activity is reading. My favorite activity is reading. My favorite activity is reading.
There are. There's.
There weren't.
Weren't. Wasn't.
Its name.
The
book
is
pink.
pink, not
But
not
bright.
pink.
Schedule.
Have you met the staff? Staff.
Staff collective.
Do you have a personal assistant?
У вас есть личный ассистент?
Everybody here is a great worker.
Все здесь отличные работники.
Everybody knows that Sveta is the best worker here.
She worked as a server before this.
Она работала официанткой до этого.
He works as a personal assistant now. He works as a personal assistant now. She's an engineer and also works as a teacher. I can check my schedule on the website.
Я могу проверить свое расписание на веб-сайте.
I have 2 managers and they don't get along.
У меня есть 2 менеджера, и они не ладят.
Our clients get along with the staff. Our clients get along with the staff. His personal assistant and I get along.
Worker.
I have a new manager this year.
Manager. Two. Mine.
Is next to mine. Manager's. Do
You have a meeting on your schedule tomorrow.
The office. 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 Is. To. Mine. Next.